Eastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Moore County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, Northeastern Scotland County in central North Carolina, Southwestern Lee County in central North Carolina, Northeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Biscoe to 10 miles west of Pinehurst to Hoffman, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Southern Pines, Rayford, Carthage, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, and Robbins. Street line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Montgomery, and Richmond.
No hurt marks, just perfect drill marks. And call right now, and shipping is free.
All right, guys. All right.